It's Metal Clock with Ms. Nesha Joyo. Welcome to another video.
Theorem 6 states that now an exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. Right? It states that this particular angle, which is your SY, is equal to your angle Q. That what it states, but obviously because we're here now, we are required to actually prove whether is that true or not, right? So now what is it that we are going to do firstly? Now, if you can look at this particular angle, now look at your angle S1 and S2. Now when you're starting from S1, when you say now S1 plus S2, can you see that now these are going to give you 180 degrees, right? So, but let's start by firstly understanding that we are required to prove. What are we required to prove? We are required to prove that your angle S1 is equal to your angle Q. Is equal to your angle Q. So this is where we are going to start. We are going to start by saying now, bang, your angle S1 plus your angle S2 is equal to 180 degrees. And the reason for this one is going to be, these are angles on your straight line. These are angles on a straight line. These are angles on a straight line. Now, we are also going to say now log, which means now if you are saying this, S1 plus S2, we are saying this is 180 degrees. But look at this one. Now, your angle S1, can you see that? Therefore, actually your angle S1 is going to be equal to 180 degrees, subtract what? When you take, or when you transpose this one, subtract what? Angle S2. Isn't it so? This is because now, if you just transpose this one this side, therefore it becomes your S1 becomes 180 degrees, subtract your angle S2. Similarly now, but if you look at your angle S2 and also your angle Q. Can you see that your angle S2 plus your angle Q are going to give you 180 degrees? What is going to be your reason? Your angle S2 plus your angle Q are going to give you 180 degrees. This is because of Theorem 5, which states that now the opposite angles of your cyclic quadrilateral are what? Are supplementary. So this is going to be now what? This is going to be all angles of a cyclic quad are supplementary. Right? The opposite angles of a cyclic quad are supplementary. So therefore, which means now, if you want to make Q your subject of the formula, your Q is going to be equals to 180 degrees, subtract your angle S2, right? Subtract your angle S2. Now, can you see that your angle S1, is equals to 180 degrees, subtract your S2. So your angle also Q is equal to 180 degrees, subtract your S2. So therefore you can conclude that actually your angle S1 therefore is equal to your angle Q.